Your background, basically, which year you started job? That background.
Yeah, I started my job in 2017,
Hmm.
and my first job was as a Linux support engineer.
Which year
So
it was?
2017.
Okay, okay. Hmm.
I started at 2017 only. After that, there was no certification at the very start. I was completely fresh, but I had knowledge of database and Linux server with networking. So after that, after 8 months and few days, I have completed my Red Hat certification like RHCSA. Like
Okay.
I joined the coaching classes, and after that worked on that, and after I gave the certification exam. After giving certification exam, I also worked like on multiple security services like server hardening, security, firewall, IP pressing and all.
Hmm.
After that, I I also, the bug bounty. We had this thing. We have some gray hat and white hat hackers. So I worked with them also. So for
Hmm.
security perspective, I have my background is like networking, DevOps with security. So after that, uh, I worked on that, and I also gave my RHC exam certification also. Now
Hmm.
I am RHC certified. I worked on multiple operating system like Windows, not that much, but Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, Red Hat 6, 7, 8 also. I have worked on it
Hmm.
and did many tasks like the system administration and engineer tasks.
Hmm.
So
So can we call it as you are a Linux administrator?
yes, yes,
Title or system engineer? System
system engineer.
engineer is different. System engineer will come under ITSM.
Yes, I am a Red Hat certified engineer.
Hmm.
After that, I started working on cloud. Like we got some clients like Aditya Birla,
Hmm.
HDFC.
Hmm.
So they were using AWS. So I worked on S3 bucket and all, IAM role and normal edge location, S3 edge location and all,
Hmm.
along with their server, which was in Ubuntu 14.04 LTS. And
Are you comfortable for cloud migration roles or cloud L1, L2 support roles?
migration is fine.
Don't
I
say fine. Don't say
Yes,
fine.
I'm very much going for DevOps and migration, AWS migration, cloud migration basically.
You can't say DevOps right away because DevOps, when you say, they will put you into the middle of the project, development project.
Okay.
You can't go and put your fingers unless you learn completely the DevOps process.
Okay.
And you need to do a lot of POCs, including containers, non-containers areas.
Okay.
Okay, so right now I don't think it is possible in next 6 months or 4 months because you are coming for learning now infrastructure creation with automation. That is the target you can put it.
Yeah.
And later on, yes, if you continue stage two, yes, obviously you will
Yes,
do POCs there also. Okay.
I'm going to.
Mm. Yeah, first intention is I want to push you to job role. Basically, what I am writing is I am writing the summary for your profile.
Yeah.
After talking to you, I am looking for cloud migration roles.
Okay.
Basically, I am a Linux administrator with 3+ years
Correct.
experience. I have done my part-time internship in Cloud and DevOps under 3 decades IT infra cloud expert.
Yeah.
Uh, I have done my many POCs, including AWS Cloud Automation.
Okay.
Some of my POCs references are, I'm writing it, I'll copy to you, don't worry.
Okay.
Some of my POCs references are presented. in the below sections for my screening purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what you need to do, I'm copying it here in Skype itself. Got it, right?
Yes, got it.
That you paste it in the summary. Don't write it other than that.
I'll do it.
Are you exposed with networking also?
Not that much because I haven't done any certification in that.
No, certification is not required, but can you understand the networking
Yes.
of the legacy systems to migrate it?
Yes. I worked on it.
Yeah, you do one thing. I am a Linux administrator with 3+ years experience and worked for networking also, Linux networking basically, right?
Yes, exactly.
You write, you take that into test file. Where is the Word file? Go to the summary in the resume.
I have, okay.
You update it here.
Okay.
Basically, I'm a Linux administrator with a 3+ years Linux administrator with Linux networking. No. I have mentioned it already. In that you update the line. I am a Linux administrator with 3+ years experience. I mentioned it. You write it. I am a Linux administrator with Linux networking also with 3 years experience. Let us say Linux systems VPC peering, you can do it, right?
Yes, of course.
Basically, I am a Linux administrator with Linux networking also with 3+ years, 3 or 4 years.
3.7 to be honest.
You write 3.5 years, 3.5 plus. No. What is that you are updating? You read it. Which one you are updating? My profile details you are updating.
No. My bad. Just yeah. Got it.
Okay, come down. You copy this into the summary, into the resume.
Yeah, I will do it. First, I will just mention it over here. Once done, I will update it over, at my resume.
Okay. Now you open your resume is what? Let me open it.
Yeah.
There is a lot of effort required for resume preparation. That is main thing here. Okay, what you can write is below that.
Below.
1 minute. I'm writing something, wait.
Okay. I got 2 emails from I think Capgemini and one more company. I don't know. I have to check email, but the they was like mentioning they want urgent basis hiring and all. I,
Wait. First, let us prepare the resume, then we'll bring back them into the discussion.
sure, no problem.
Below this, I'm writing your capabilities, okay? Below, in the same section, below that. See that. You need to update it. There is a spelling mistake.
Yeah, sure.
Take that into notepad. I am capable of handling freshers. You write it. Well, you can take one word file, no? Fresh word file instead of that, because you need to reformat all these things here. Spell check, everything can be done there.
Got it.
In the resume, you put only profile summary, don't put career objective. Career objective is required within 2 years people, not for experienced guys.
Yeah.
Remove that career objective. You put that both paragraphs in the summary only. I am capable of handling the freshers. You write I am. Update that. Read it completely.
I am
Is
capable
it?
of handling the freshers with the task, planning and timely guidance for their success, and also reporting client on tasks, planning and delivery. I can handle multiple infrastructure setups through AWS. Troubleshooting was executed through my POCs. AWS security and architecture best practices were followed. I also can write the infrastructure as a code, IS in CloudFormation, and also Terraform.
Okay. See, you will be able to handle pressures also, right?
Yeah, I have.
If you say that, then they'll give 2 more lakhs. 2 more lakhs means on our not on the targeted amount. Our target included this.
Yeah,
Okay,
got
our
it.
targeted 8 to 10 lakhs or something like that. Okay, and next one, come down. There, what you need to do, let me add it that also. My okay, you need to write your project descriptions. Now, I'm copying it here.
Yeah,
You read this one. Below summary, you keep it. See, your old resume will continue as it is. I don't want to disturb that.
yeah.
Whatever you want to mention, past experiences, under that you'll put one title, work experience.
Okay,
My internship POCs experiences. Please find my internship POCs demonstration descriptions and their video URLs. Now you write each project, what all it contains.
okay.
That is 2 projects automation. Okay. You can also mention one more thing. How gal. Wait. Below that you put this.
Was presenting in this resume, I have gathered the POC from manual
Update that spelling, manual.
manual infra creation to the automation
Stacks.
stacks in cloud formation of AWS.
Okay. Because in the beginning you mentioned some of my POCs are presented in this resume.
Yeah.
I'm connecting to that summary. Okay. Now you have to write the project descriptions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There will be two URLs readily available. Past things, don't worry about that. Those are not valid, small things. One full project, I wanted you to do that, like WordPress end to end up to blog creation. Then later on, you can take that automation also.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Later on, once what we are working on the VPC pairing,
Yeah.
apart from that.
Okay.
But that will come there. You mentioned very limited POCs here. With that, you will be able to show. Okay.
Okay.
Then you show your resume in Word. In the resume, what you need to do, above operating systems, my work experience skills are the following. You write it. Above
Operating
operating systems.
career objectives, under career objectives.
नहीं career objective पूरा निकालना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
You have to remove that. You should not keep that. Operating system है ना. You see, you are giving all the links here. My internship details, you told it right. Heading
So,
there.
yeah. So in the beginning, I am giving summary. After
You are
that,
introducing yourself as trying for cloud migration roles, because cloud migration includes automation also. You know that, right?
yeah, right.
And basically your background you are explaining it. Later on what you have done it for 1 year internship. Then later on you are also saying my skills in AWS are I am capable of handling these things including automation. Then later on you are giving the references of the projects. You should not keep career objective now. You copy that, whatever we made it now.
Okay. They want me to go premium.
No. You open this as a PDF file. You open the Word file. Where is your Word file?
I'm right clicking it. Open.
You you should open Word file, na?
Yeah. I clicked this open with Word with WPS Office.
Uh, yeah, you do that. WP Office only. Word file you open it.
Okay, I'm clicking on this now.
No. You clicked on which file now?
This Harshad resume PDF file.
PDF file. It will show in PDF only. You have to. Do you have copy of Word file?
No, I don't.
If you don't have, then useless. You go to the online and convert the PDF into Word. There is a
Okay.
converter.
Yeah, sure.
You have to catch up all these fast here. What is it? Go
No.
to
I
PDF to
had
Word
it.
converter.
I had it, but the system got formatted. So anyway,
Go to PDF to Word converter. Put there, just
yeah,
choose the file.
yeah, I'm doing it.
See, this resume we need to update weekly or at least 10 days once by adding our POCs and in Naukri, your portal page also, we need to keep updating there. I'll tell you what to do in Naukri.
Okay.
Convert हो गया ना? You open that file now. Okay. Don't put Linux certified Red Hat. Those all are legacy. Remove that. If you have AWS certification, you can put that later, not now.
Yeah.
Now don't spend time on that money also. Okay. Nobody is bothering about the certifications. वो उनको मालूम है पूरा recruiter वालों को कैसा ये किया all these things. Okay. Everybody knows that.
Okay.
Okay. Now what you copied it, right?
Yeah.
Then my internship POCs experiences are the following. You write it. Experiences are the following. You have to highlight this. Put a colon and highlight it. No, highlight means not under, underline, bold.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Bold. Okay, then you have to mention your project's details here. Okay, then
Yeah.
come down. Niche, above operating system,
Yeah.
my work experiences, you write it. One heading. Top heading, you write it, my work experiences. Experiences as Linux administrator. See here what you are doing, you are showcasing your internship POC separately. That creates the confidence to the recruiter. Yes, this guy is a real guy and he can do the job. And you are showing your resume separately here.
Okay.
Come down. I don't want to discuss about this one. Whatever you feel, you keep adding this.
Yeah.
This will be shown to them. You are a excellent Linux administrator or something like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what you need to do, you have to add those two POCs in the resume and save this and let us upload in Naukri. In Naukri also, I will show you where to do, what to do.
Sure. I
Right
will
now,
put the links under this section. And
now you pull the links and write the description of the project.
Yes, I will firstly, put it the detailed description, everything, and later on I will put the Facebook links also and upload it on Naukri. Okay. One more thing I want to ask: do I need to keep this part?
AWS.
Because I am mentioning my my work experience, including those links.
Go up, just go up. Can you take that summary?
Yeah. You want me to copy it?
No, wait. Each person's background is different here.
Yeah.
एक मल्टी क्लाउड है और एक AWS का और DevOps.
Yeah.
Okay, you write one thing. Here one topic you write it. My AWS skills. No, heading. Like you wrote this one, right? My AWS skills. Here what you need to write. You copy that Poonam's IT Cloud DevOps skills. Yeah, this IT Cloud DevOps skills paragraphs you copy. We'll update them. You know, that heading is not required
Yeah, got it.
because her background is more than 1.5 years. She worked on AWS before coming to me
Okay.
and attended 1 dozen interviews.
Okay. Shall I paste it?
Yeah, skilled in working of AWS services like EC2. Okay, which one you are not confident, you remove that. I mean, currently, if you know the concepts, that is enough.
I never worked on this part.
No, but it is mandatory. AWS CLI is simple.
Except for S3, like S3 bucket mounting and pulling and pushing. That's only I know.
Okay, no, you keep it. Later on, I'll give exercise to you. Don't
Okay.
worry.
Okay. Okay.
Then other things.
Yeah, I'm comfortable with everything.
Okay.
This
Now, DevOps is concepts only capable of working AWS DevOps with code migration, code commit, code build, code deploy, CI/CD pipeline. You need to mention this in the resume because without having these skills, they don't touch the resume.
okay, so I need to go work on that.
Yeah, what you need to do, you don't need to do POCs right now. I have already POCs demonstrated videos from the past students. Just you watch them for interview purpose.
Okay.
And
Can you
when you
please
come,
share me the links?
yeah, not now. I'll give you all the things.
Okay. Okay. I'm not,
But
the SES configuration I haven't done. I know the SNS. Can I remove SES?
no. CS also I have the videos. Don't worry.
Okay, fine. Fine.
I'll give the site name. You have to search all those. You don't need to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Including theory part also will be there. Okay.
Okay.
Capable of creating VMs, networks, load balancers, server setup. Yes, you are going to
Yes.
do ELVs later on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
But it should be there. See, remember one thing. Once you release the resume, it takes 2 weeks to click to the recruiters.
Correct.
So in that 2 weeks, many things you can do it daily if you attend the sessions.
Yeah, yeah, I will.
Okay, you need to work hard now onwards. Okay, now what happened here? You wrote the summary, explained it, and your AWS skills are upgraded here, updated here. Then come down. Now, can you pull that URLs here in the resume
Uh,
right now,
okay.
or you want me to give?
I had just if you have right now you can give me.
No. I need to go to the site.
Professional. Worked in different countries through the top IT services companies. His strong skills were proven in his past companies on building the project's team's capabilities as per.
Let me take it from the Skype later on. I have pasted it, but it's not showing. I think you have given me in the another group the links. I'm not able to find it.
You have to save them in a particular file, right? That is your this one, right?
Yes, yes. I actually. Okay, I'll update this file again. I don't know why it's not showing.
Those are your bread and butter for the market.
Yeah. Got your point.
It is not myself. I need to be.
Yeah. Just.
Okay, that's all. Let they also see. I'll stop recording.